Hi everyone, welcome back to Tarot Connect with Mansi. So today I am going to do a reading which is collective, of course, and it's all about what do you want, like what do you actually desire, your heart desire, and how you can achieve it. And we'll see if there is any blockages or not. But the two main questions would be what your heart desire, what do you want, and how you can achieve it. Okay, this is going to be a timeless reading, so there is no time on it, which means whenever you see this watch this video, that would be the right time for you to know the guidance through it. Okay, so let's start, like how you can achieve it. Okay, perfect. Let me just spread. Done. Okay, so I see few cards which is like I see challenges, that emotional healing, empathy, and security. That is coming for what your heart desires. Let me explain. Okay, if you see this card that says challenges, and with this overall, what I understand is your true desire, the desire of your heart is to have emotional safety and security. What I can see कि challenges हैं आपकी life में, you're facing challenges very well, and basically they're helping you to grow stronger and stronger day by day eventually. So overcoming these challenges will lead to significant personal growths that is required for your growth. This is not, I'm talking about professional growth or something like that. It's totally your personal growth. So you are well capable of handling any kind of challenges, right? Specifically or especially personally, and then professionally as well. But what I can see, there is some emotional healing is going on, right? I feel there is another card which is called security, which says a sense of stability and security surrounds should be surrounding you, but you may feel uncertain about your safety and security right now, or external events may be shaking your foundation or something like that. So your true desire of your heart is to, sometimes like to be understood without having to explain yourself. That is one thing. But I see a blockage because I see emotional healing here. If you can see this card, there is emotional healing, but then you can see a person here on the bed. Can you see this? So something emotional suppression happened, and I would say you may have moved mentally, but your body and heart is not. So it's there, and which indicates there is a emotional suppression, although you may have make yourself understood like that, okay, it's fine. So coming to another card, which is the reverse of empathy. It explains the reason of blockage, that is emotional healing, suppression, and everything. The reason of blockage is basically lack of empathy. You may be either overgiving and feeling unseen after that. Can be many times it happens like you have done so much for certain things, but you've not been appreciated that much. Plus you must, or there is another situation that the which can be a next situation, that is you might have shut down emotionally to protect yourself कि ठीक है appreciation तो मिलेगा ही नहीं, या maybe जो what we are doing that won't be get seen or heard. But let's just move and mentally आप move on कर गए, and खुद अब हुआ ये कि खुद इतनी lack of empathy face कर ली कि now there can be certain times when you may be overlooking others' emotions also. Correct? So that is basically the reason जो आपको इमोशनल ब्लॉकेज हो रही है, बिकॉज यू फेस सम काइंड ऑफ अ लैक ऑफ एम्पैथी there was no empathy, and that you need to inculcate and again think about it also. And बिकॉज आपको वो चीज़ नहीं मिली तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हमें अब आगे वो चीज़ नहीं. वी शुड ऑलवेज बी ओपन, वी शुड ऑलवेज बी ह्यूमन to understand another person's feelings as well, right? So emotional healing is required है because ये जब unseen चीज़ें होती हैं तो obviously it break down someone's emotionally as well. So emotional healing is already going on. You are perfectly all right to take on challenges. So all of this leads to security risk. So that is the reason you may feel ki uncertain about your safety and security ki, you know, whatever I'm giving, whatever I'm doing, or whatsoever I've given so far now, whether that is okay or not, whether it is good to go or not, or whether those provide you the protection and the future security or not. Of course, now my next question was how you can basically achieve it. So I have got 3 cards which says opportunities, yes, learning, and then goals. Okay, so what does it mean? It basically means that yes, there will be an opportunities for you. There will be an opportunities for you, of course. What do you need to do to achieve all those things and come out from these blockages and everything and back on the track and something like that? If any one of you have gone through these kinds of feelings so far, like in last 10 days or a month, or in this new year till now. So first thing, realign your goals. That is one thing. Realign your goals. You are chasing something right now. There is one more thing. You are chasing something right now which is no more aligned with your current self. So you need to realign your goals. पहले जो गोल्स हुआ करते थे कि मुझे ये करना है, मुझे, यू नीड टू रियलाइन दैट. यू नीड टू रीडिफाइन योर सक्सेस कि अब ये मेरी सक्सेस को वैलिडेशन नहीं है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमारा एक्सटर्नल वैलिडेशन कभी होना ही नहीं चाहिए सक्सेस का, बिकॉज जब तक वो एक्सटर्नल वैलिडेशन रहेगा यू विल बी हैप्पी. सो हमारी हैप्पीनेस कभी भी किसी एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर पे डिपेंडेंट नहीं होनी चाहिए, राइट? सो द फाइनली द बिगर पिक्चर सेज इज कि पुरानी जो डेफिनेशन है सक्सेस की उसको चेंज करो बाय चेंजिंग योर गोल्स. कि भाई लेट्स से इफ अ गोल फील्स हैवी, if a goal feels forced or ultimately draining, that is not in your alignment. As simple as that. Okay, now second thing is learning. If you've seen this learning card, so in order to achieve, just unlearn before you learn something new. Unlearn the past. जो भी सीखा था सब unlearn करो to make yourself and expand your career through more learnings, right? So let, और सबसे पहले तो मतलब कुछ statements होते हैं let go of statements like I should, मतलब कुछ statements होते हैं let go of statements like I should know better, मुझे पता होना चाहिए था. नहीं, ठीक है. दूसरा, allow yourself to be a beginner again. कोई नई चीज़ सीखना चाहते हो सीखो, जो तुम्हारे साथ अलाइन करती है उसको अपने उसकी तरफ प्रोसीड करो. दैट्स योर कॉलिंग नाउ. और एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, लर्न इमोशनल बाउंड्रीज, not emotional suppression, because that will lead to emotional blockages, that will lead to other things. Correct? So सबसे पहले हमें ये चीज़ पे काम करना है. And last not the least, opportunities are there 100%. And but you are going to miss if you act in fear. डर की वजह से हमने कोई चीज़ पे एक्ट कर लिया. We have taken rush decisions. जल्दबाजी में we have taken some decision. Think about it. Okay? And third, yes, बहुत लोग ये चीज़ करते हैं saying yes out of obligations, और वो ना बोलना नहीं जानते. So जब आप ना बोलना नहीं जानते, that means you don't know how to create emotional boundaries, and obviously you will be taken advantage of that. So in order, just prepare yourself. और सबसे positive चीज़ ये है, now you guys know if someone is going through this situation now, he or she knows. And this guidance is for you guys. So ultimately, the conclusion of this reading, what I'm getting from this energy is that you're not stuck, bro. You're not stuck. You just need to restructure yourself. That's it. I hope you like it. And for your one-on-ones, please let me know and WhatsApp me, and we'll see. And I'll share the details for the session or so. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.